Hello dear students and welcome to this online class video. This is the 7th and the last part of this chapter 11 area and its boundary of class 5 subject mathematics, and also there is a test of this chapter 11, and at the end of the video I will give you the link, so watch this video at the end. Now come to the today's topic. It is King's story. So let's know what is the story of this king. The king was very happy with carpenters, Chegu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So as gifts, the king wanted to give some land to Chegu and some gold to Anar. So Chegu was very happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. Okay. So let's see which type of rectangles Chegu made. He made a 10 meter by 40 meter rectangle. So let's make it 40 meter and 10 meter. So its perimeter will be 100. 40, 40, 80 and 10 it is 20. So its perimeter is 100. Now next he made 30 meter by 20 meter rectangle. So its perimeter will be also 100. Let's find its perimeter. So 30, 20, 30 and 20. 30 and 30, 60, 80 and 20. It is 100. Now what is its area? Is it more than the first rectangle? Okay, so let's find their area. So first we will find the area for this. So 10 meter and 40 meter. So when we will find its area will be 10 multiplied by 40. So it will be 400 square meter. And area for this rectangle will be 3 2 is 6 and 00. 600 square meter. And we can say that area of the second rectangle is more than the first rectangle. Now next question. What other rectangles can he make with 100 meters of wire? Discuss which of these rectangle will have the biggest area. So let's make different type of rectangles for Chegu. So first we can make a rectangle with length 35 meter and 15 meters. So its perimeter will be 100. Let's find it. 35 35 and 15 will be breadth. So 35 and 35 70, 70 and plus 15 total it is 100 meter. Okay, and its area, let's find its area. So 15 5 ja, multiply 15 into 35, so it is 75. 7 will be carried. Now 15 3 ja 45, 45 plus 7, it is 52. So 5 to 5 is square meter. Let's make another rectangles with 25 meters each side. So it will be a square. 25 25 25 and 25. So its perimeter will be 100 and its area will be 25 multiplied by 25, 600, 25 square meter. So we will found that it will be the biggest area in rectangles, you can say, because a square is also a rectangle. Now Chegu's wife asked him to make a circle with the wire. Means through this 100 meter wire, her wife suggests to him to make a circle with this wire, and she knew it had an area of 800 square meter. Means its perimeter is 100 meter, but its area will be 800 square meter. Now why did Chegu not choose a rectangle? Explain. So now listen. The king is giving gift to Chegu, and Chegu has taken 100 meter wire to make to find a land with biggest area. So with 100-meter wire, it will be his biggest land in a circular form. So for that he is choosing a circle land, not a rectangular land. Now, okay, Chigu has taken 800 square meter of land, Anar. Now I will give you as much as gold wire which can make a boundary for land with area 800 square meters. So now Anar have to make, okay, so now come to the next page, and now Anar is also trying to make different ways to make a boundary for 800 square meters of land. So let's see which type of boundary he is making. He had made rectangles A, B and C of different sizes. Find out the length of the boundary, means perimeter of his side. How much gold wire will he get for these rectangles? So come to the A, it is 40 by 20. Clear? Means the length is 40 meter and breadth is 20. So its perimeter will be 100 meters. Sorry, 120 meters. Its perimeter, means length of this. Now its area will be 40 multiplied by 20 meter. So area will be 800 square meter. He is trying to make a land with area 800 square meter and trying to find the longest boundary. Now next B, 80 by 10 meters. So its area will be 18 10 800 square meter. Area is 800 square meter and the perimeter will be sum of all sides, means 80 plus 80, it is 160, and 10 170, another 10 180. So 880 meters wire. First one was 120, it is 180. Now come to the next C number, 800 meter multiplied by 100 meter. So its area will be 800 square meter and perimeter will be 8 plus 8 1600, 1 and 1 2. So its perimeter will be 1602 meters. So we can see that from A, B and C, C has the longest perimeter. Means if he will choose C number land which has area 800 square meter, so he will get 1602 meters wire of gold. But now what he is doing, he choose another longer rectangle. So let's see, whose length is 800 meter and the width is 0.1 meter. It will be width. So its area will be definitely 800 square meter. But let's find out its perimeter. So 8,000 and 8,000, 16,000 plus 0.1 plus 0.1. So it will be 0.2, means 16,000 0.2 meter wire, gold wire he will get with making a land 800 square meter. So if he will get means Anar will get 16,000.2 meters of gold wire, so definitely he can become a king because he is getting gold wires and gold is very costly. So in this way our chapter is completed and our topic is also completed. So it's time for the unit test. So the link of this unit test will be given in the description box. You can go there, click the link and attempt the test. So good luck for that.